Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you how to build a bathroom. So first you need a water bucket. If you don't know how to craft that, it's just like that, and then you just gotta get some water from your local pond. And then, so yeah, you got your water. Then you're going to need a cauldron, which is not that hard to make. It just requires 7 iron in that U shape. So you do that, boom, boom, boom. And now you have a cauldron. So place that on your edge of your bathroom. I don't know. And then place the water bucket in. So yeah. Then now we're going to work on the floor, which we're going to use black and white wool because that's what reminds me of bathroom. Probably you guys too. So we're just going to make that in like a cross pattern like this. So I usually build mine kind of in a 3 by like 3 by like 6 or something. Doesn't really matter. 3 by 5. Yeah, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So don't matter your size. You can make it as big as you want. But yeah. So then we're gonna just build it up like a house. So we're gonna put some walls, and we're gonna put a roof. I'll show you how high the roof is in a second. I'm just gonna build a few little walls, but it's gonna be. You want it to be this high. Like that's not usually that's kind of usually the normal height. That's my usual height, so that you could stand on here and then sit. And the cauldron, if you don't know what that is, you'll try just like, what the heck, Travis? Why the heck? Why is that there? It's supposed to be a toilet, okay? Yeah, you can kind of change this up. And if you're wondering why there's other things in this world, that's my testing world where I test all the redstone and stuff. So yeah, just build your house like a normal house. And you can now it's going to be dark and you still are going to need a door. So yeah, just get a door. If you don't know how to build that, boom. I don't know why you wouldn't know how to build a door, but yeah. Then get some torches, because we need torches. So yeah, we need lots of torches. We only need 4 for this. So yeah, so we're gonna put one. We are gonna put one there, and we're gonna put one there. We're gonna put one there, and then one on the outside. Boom, bathroom. And then you can hook this up to your bedroom or something. Like, yeah, so you can place your bed somewhere next to it, so you can pretend like getting up in the morning or something. Not there, like there. You could like do something. I don't know. Get creative. I know you guys can get creative. So yeah. So it's creative. Creative. So yeah, and then you can put a door there and build up your house, and then you can like go to sleep and stuff. And you can do that, and yeah. So that's that. That's how you build a bathroom. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and if you want to use this, please do. It's free to use. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Well, actually, outro. Bye! See you guys next time.